Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Kgen. We're celebrating a successful short call first. We warned about the potential for a strong correction, and Kgen delivered an almost negative 30% move downward from that resistance zone we gave you. The setup played out perfectly. But now it's time to flip the script. I am buying this dip here around 0.2950. As you can see from our charts, the price has dipped into a key demand zone, and we're seeing a potential for a daily double bottom to form. The price is currently testing and holding above the primary uptrend line and this key support. If the 0.2550, 0.2600 support zone holds, bulls could push the price higher. However, be warned, volatility is huge and the price remains stuck under big levels, so this is not a safe bet for aggressive size. We need to respect the market. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.